we talk about the background of the magnificent railway which winds its way up from the Indian Ocean to the mountains in the Horn of Africa. But the railway is not only an adventure, it is also a testimony to European colonial history and to Italy's ambitions in the Nile region. The Italians built the railway in the early 1900s. It's an engineering feat with 20 tunnels and 65 bridges and sleepers clinging to the mountainside. It was built to transport coffee, for the Horn of Africa is the birthplace of the coffee plant. The man who tells me he worked on the railway when the Italians ruled Eritrea could not know of the secret plots and plans of the colonialists for the Horn of Africa and the Nile.